simple step to save yourself the stress when you have money in your Deriv account and you have money on your MT5, yet you cannot access your this thing to trade. You need to trade, you have money, you want to trade, but things are not working the way you want it. You need to trade. I mean, sometimes since this thing has been running on maintenance, or maybe they had an issue or anything, which is normal thing that used to happen. So follow this simple step so that you can still be trading, so that you can still be making your money while the MT5 is getting ready. All right, so follow this simple step. So what I'm going to be covering in this video is, number one is that I will show you how you can trade on your Deriv account using the MT5 using the MT5 web. That's number one. Then number two is that I'm going to show you how you can still transfer the money you make in that place, and also show you some of the simple steps you can follow to make sure that you will be safe even when trading those things. All right, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to open your Deriv. And if you have a Deriv, you have a life account, maybe you don't have this type of Deriv on your, maybe you have Go Derivs, you don't have this one. How we get this one is that we follow the procedure when you want to sign in, when you want to log in on your life account, when you must have been trading on demo. This time you want to log in, when you are creating a life account. So we follow Chrome. So from that Chrome, you have this one. So the first thing, touch your Deriv. If you touch your Deriv, it's going to open. Then once it opens, you follow from this angle, you follow this here. From this place, this is my life account, one of them, you follow here. So if you follow from that place, you will find out that you have an account in this place. So that account, this is where you need to touch at this place. This is where you should touch. So once you touch this place, it's going to take you to a place. This is what it's going to be doing. I want to show you here so that you follow it. It's taking you out from that place. Now this time it will show you your account. This is what you have, my account. So this is the CFD's platform. Which, now look at this thing, look at what they said here. It said trade with leverage and tight spread for better returns for success. So this is not your business. Look at this place. Now if you check it, you see MT5 Deriv. So what you're going to be doing now is we'll follow this procedure to set up our MT5 Deriv. Right here, I removed one of the money I have in that place. Remember, you can still trade this one, you can still trade this one. So I don't want to go there today. Now, this one is what we are using, SVG. That is what you have. Check it here. That is what you have inside there. So this time, what we do now is we'll touch this open. Now we touch open. When you touch open, this is what you will see. When you touch open, this is what you will see. It will bring you to this place, and what you have here is 30 cents, which means that MT5, that MetaTrader 5, that is still updating for some time, or when you are doing your own, you want to trade, or you have a live account that is running, you don't know what to do, the thing just caught you, you cannot close, you cannot open trade, you still need to trade, you are sure that this market is good. By now the analysis must have said for you to place your trade, and yet you don't have opportunity to do that. Take this bold step, you will not regret it. So this is where we'll be going this time. This one is for some of you that have your laptop. You can follow it on the same laptop. Now the question can be, can I close this same trade that I placed on my MT5 on my laptop? Can I do just that? It depends on the stuff you're using. Like we'll have TradeView Deriv. We have people that are using direct Deriv binary. So all of them can work, depends on the settings you have on your system. But I advise you to quickly rush on your smartphone to do this thing I'm saying now so that you can quickly close your trade. Follow the instructions there. It is simple and you can do it. So when you touch here, you see open. If you touch it, it will bring you to this point. Now it says MetaQuote Limited is a software development company and does not provide any financial investment, brokerage, trading, or data feed services. Nor it is involved in a commission-based payment concerning any trading option. Do you know what that means? It simply means that these places don't have any strength of their own. It is brokers that provide what they do. So they only take commissions of whatever that happened in this place. So it's none of your business. None of the information available in the application is intended as an investment advice. Before using this application for trading, you should seek advice of qualified and registered security professionals and undertake your own due diligence. So this is why it is important and very, very important that you should learn forex and learn some of the rudiments. So the next step we'll take is to press OK. This is the right place to touch now. So we are saying accept, meaning that we are good to go. Now this time we have this place here. We'll have this login. Okay, we'll have login. So what we'll do is to put our password. Remember this, that the Deriv server I'm using is server 2, so it will bring you up to that place. So let me add up my password now. Yes, I have added up my password, so let's move ahead. I have touched sign in. They said authorize failed. Do you know what that means? It says authorize failed. Like somebody sent me a message and said that I have tried the same thing, it's not working. So what you need to do is go back to your password once more and be careful enough to add it. So let me add one. So I have added mine again. So make sure that you put the right password. Make sure you put the right password. I go back again. Do you see what happened? This is how it opens. So if you are trying to log in and the thing is not working, please, it's either you will copy the password. How do you copy the password? Let me go back. Let me go back before I proceed. Let me go back. Good. Follow these steps. They are very simple. So it's either you will copy your password. So you that open your Deriv, you know what you have in that place. You know the stuff you have. So when you touch this place, it opens you up to this place. You touch the looking for SCD account. So once you touch it, it brings you up to date of what you have in the now. Then this is this place, this very place. Then you touch open. If you touch open, when you touch open, then this place is where your password is. If you check what is happening here, if you read what you have here, you see server maintenance starts at 1:01:00 GMT every Sunday. This process may take up to 2 hours to complete. Service may be disrupted during this process. So each time this thing happened like this, sometimes like what just happened in few days now, this thing happened, it took over, it took more than 1 hour. It took more than 2 hours. Even it's almost taking a day. So when this thing happen like this, what can you do in case you are stuck out, you don't know what else to do, you don't know how to help yourself? That is what you should do. So here is your password. Make sure you get this password. Make sure you get this password. Make sure you get this password. Without the other password being exactly of what you have here, you cannot log in. That is the most important issue most people are having, because the server you are using is Deriv server 2, then the broker is Deriv Limited, and the login ID is what you have here. So without that password being correct, which means you are trying to intrude into someone's account. So if you can provide the password, that is to say that you are the owner of that account, and with that you can easily access it. Then you go back to this place. Once you go back to that place, you open the Deriv MT5 web trader. So you put on that, and once you put it at the first place, it will keep opening up on itself. Now this is what we have here. Now let's just put it in a way that I want to trade on crash. This is the number two, something you should know. Let me just take it that I want to trade on crash 1000. How do I trade with it? Now when you touch this place, you will see that you have now trade, chart, and specification. So if you touch trade, this is what you will see, meaning that you want to buy and you want to sell. This is the sell market, this is the buy market. Now this is the lot size. So be careful with this so that you know the lot size that you want. You know the MT5, the normal MT5 platform, which is updated, gave you the access to clean this thing and the replacing trade. You can click on the arrow bar, then from there you can add up those things. So this time make sure you touch this thing to open the symbol that you want. Make sure that you choose your lot size carefully. The challenge you are having with this is that anytime you open your trade, anything that makes you to go back, you want to press back key, it always brings you back to this place. So you need to be patient with yourself and help yourself in such case, because there is nothing you can do. You know, most people trade with this one, Deriv Go. Most people trade with this one. Okay, so with this one too, you are good to go. With this one too, you are good to go. You know, with this one too, you are good to go, but you have to face a lot of setup before doing that. So I am comfortable with the one I have. So let's go back to it and show you how you can place trade with that particular one so that things will work out well for you. All right, so follow it. We are moving immediately. All right, wait while the things to set up. All right, so in case you dabbled into this and you don't know what else to do, please remember that this place is options and multipliers. So where we are looking at for is this CFDS. That is where we are dealing with. So just touch that place, it will bring you back to this place. So you touch the open on Deriv SVG, then once you touch it, it will bring you back to this place. Then what you're looking at for, whatever you are pressing, the target is for you to step down to the MetaTrader 5 website. So what is being updated is the platform, the app, the application, not the website itself. The website is running up and doing. So once that happens, you come to this place, it will not take you down to the market. So it's the market. Now the same quote is there, the same chart is there that we'll have on the same place. Now this place is simple, while the other place is advanced class. So just this place, you just select few of them. Then here, then when you want to place trade, you just touch here. You want to check the chart to see the nature of the market. This is where it is important so that you will not mistake your 1 hour time frame in place of 2 hours time frame. Everything is still there. So you touch that arrow bus, you touch the arrow bus. Once you touch it, you look at the period. If you check the period, this period is standing for time frame. Okay, the period of time, the period of minutes. If you touch it, then once you touch it, you want to check like 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. Once you touch it, all right, once you touch it, you just click here. Make sure that you click here. Touching it does not make it to reflect automatically, so make sure you touch at this place. When you touch that spot, it will take you to the place bringing 5 minutes time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame. How to see it? You still check those places, you will find it that it is still 5 minutes time frame. All right, so you want to add indicators from this place. You touch here, F plus, no indicator so far. You touch here. If you touch here, you want to add something like moving average. So the moving average, once you touch the moving average, the thing will come out. You still change it to exponential, you know, any one of your choice. You still change it. This is exponential. I don't know why my phone is hanging. I don't know. That's why. So this is exponential. If you want to reduce it, you want to use exponential 5 period. I mean, you want to use period 5 or 9 or anything. So just click on the minus. This is exponential. Let me just put it like exponential 5. You press shift, apply to close. You just press OK here. Look at it. It has showed up in this place. Then you want to add something like MACD. You want to add something like MACD or anything of that nature. So let me make this one to be if you want to delete it, just touch that place back. Let me make it exponential 20. Let me make it exponential 20. Then you want to add MACD. Let's just put it that you want to add MACD. You look for MACD in this place. If you look for MACD, it will be somewhere here. Sorry that my phone is hanging. I don't know. This is MACD. You touch it. You set up the parameters, which is what you have. By default, this is the settings of MACD. You just click on the good. Remember that whatever you are setting, if you don't click that good sign, you did not accept it. So this is MACD, and when you want to reduce it, this is what you do. You reduce it from this angle to see the structures of the market. Then you touch your trade. To see what is going on. Then you touch charts. Then you chart your quote. Then the same process you use to transfer money to your account in the den, that is the same way you transfer money to this very account. The same way you still withdraw back when you visit your cashier. That is how simple this thing can be. Follow this simple step and you will not regret it. I'm doing this in respect to all my followers, to all my subscribers, to everyone that believe in GDFS. I'm doing this so that you will not be lost out, so that you will not lose any of your money at all in the hand of any platform at all, thinking that they are doing maintenance. So please be careful. Don't lose your money. And if it is possible, stay off the market until things are sorted out. But peradventure you place the trade and you don't know how to close it, rush and use this. Then if you have set up a market for a period of time, you don't know what to do, you still need to trade. It's very, very important. GDFS, you don't understand that I cannot stay a day without trading. Use this platform. Please, before you trade that particular market that Deriv will always show you, please be careful, because it is good and also can be frustrating. I am sharing this with you because when you see 10 times, 8 times, all those things, you think that you are doing well. By the time you will realize what is happening, you are already shedding tears. Already shedding tears. That's why it is very, very important for you to be careful and follow the market squarely. Don't rush to the market to trade anyhow. Like what we have here, some of you will make mistake of trading here without mastering those plays. Even as the MT5 is doing their maintenance, you may be tempted to trade in this place. You are seeing multipliers, you are seeing up, you are seeing down, and you are smiling. You forgot to read what this thing is talking about. You don't know what this thing is. You don't know what this thing is. You don't think about the commission. You don't think about the stop out. The only thing you can see, you are seeing $1. You are placing trade. Consider the consequences before you trade anything in this place, so that you will not fall victim of trying to close, yet you can't close, then make money, you can't make money. So don't fall victim of this. Instead, try to build up a demo account. Try it on your demo before you place your trade. Remember, anyhow you want to make money, money can never be easy to make except you lay a good foundation for it. Risk is one of the means for survival, but don't risk your destiny and your life. Risk what you can endure so that you will not commit suicide when the risk is, when you are caught up with the risk. So try to learn. Try to learn. Forex is your friend. Forex can destroy you. Forex can make you. Forex can mine you. That is why I am begging you, and I'm rushing to make these videos so that numerous people out there and good number of people will not fall victim. Don't think it may be on profit. Check this thing. Any position of trade in this place. What if this is been 1000? Whatever that is running here is the same that is running. Okay, so check it. This is 1 hour time frame. Anything you are seeing here is exactly how it will be, even when Deriv will come back. So when broke MT5 will come back. So don't fall victim of it. Don't think that the market will close from this place, that it must have been going down by now. No, sir. Whatever that is going down is going down. Now it closed here, and this is the current situation of the market in the now. So rush to your market, close it if it's going against you. But if it is in your favor, you can hold to any length you want. GDFX, please don't waste your money trying. If you have lost $200 before, $100 before, $1,000 before, if you have been paying for account management day in day out, spend time and learn. Pay someone so that you will trade in your convenience. You can imagine now. Mark whatever I'm going to say here now. Whatever I'm going to open my mouth to say now, mark it. A lot of account managers will lose their money, because the period this thing happened is a period when a lot of traders will be in the market. So a lot of people will be crying. A lot of people will be crying. So if someone is managing your account, so if lucky enough the person is not trading at that moment, that will be your own profit. But if the person is trading and couldn't have access to close it, maybe depending on the lot size, sorry about that, and learn so that you'll be trading your own convenience. My name is GDFS. I so much respect and love you, and I hope that one day you will chat me up on my WhatsApp or comment on the session that these videos we are creating have been impactful and has been helping you, and it's been educative. So thank you so much, and keep winning. GDFS, we love you.